How to fix WhatsApp microphone not working on iPhone. Is no one hearing you on your voice messages or calls? Here's how to fix the microphone issue in WhatsApp on your iPhone. First, go to Settings and WhatsApp. Make sure your microphone access is turned on, like this. Record a short memo using the Voice Memos app. If there is no sound, the issue might be with the phone and not WhatsApp. Some phone cases or protectors can block the mic. Try removing them and test again. A simple restart can fix the background bugs. If not, reinstall WhatsApp after backing up all your chats. Now your microphone should be working again in WhatsApp. Give it a quick test. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video helped you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching.